How to create custom Roblox outfits. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create custom Roblox outfits. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for Roblox and look for any updates that may be available for the Roblox app. Now go back to your home page and open the Roblox app. In Roblox, make sure you are logged in to your account. To change your outfit or avatar, click on the avatar option from the bottom panel. Now here you will see different kind of clothing and accessories. Go to the characters section. Here at the top you will see this kind of icon, click on it. After that you can select from creations or purchased. Go to the creations section. Now you will be able to create your own character, however you will need to pay for it. Most of the characters, accessories and clothings will cost you money. Some of them are free, for example these ones. You can also set the skin color for free. There are also other options such as classic heads. Here also some of the design are free, but however most of them are paid. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.